Working on converting my Q50 Premium with the new carbon fiber steering wheel. This one actually has the heated steering wheel, but they don't give you any instructions with it. Just comes with bare wires. And it looks like power and probably something to sense overheat. I opened up the stock wiring. I actually cut one. But the only thing the other wheel doesn't have is this right here, which seems like a thermal overload, a safety. But it looks like the two green wires in the middle are going to be the temperature sensor, and the red and black on the outside of the original, they actually go to the heating coils, so that's just your 12 volts. But I'm going to move this safety. I want the safety in it where the aftermarket steering wheel doesn't have a safety in it, so I'm going to chop that out and add it in. And there's the original connector, the two center greens to the little sensor wire, probably a thermal overload or temperature sensor or something. Two outer wires, positive and negative, through the original, I'm gonna guess thermal shutoff. Well, just hooked it up. It's heated here, not up here, just on the sides. Let this hang and we'll look at the wiring. Got it all tucked in there. Got the little safety still in there. Just do a little wire management and put on the nut and we're good to go. I ran into one problem where the steering wheel horn would stay on and I couldn't figure it out for a while. There's a piece of plastic from this rear trim that butts up against the lower clip, and I had to break all that plastic away so the clip would go to the metal. And that's all I had to do, just break that little peg all the way around there with some pliers. And now it has enough clearance.